Construction is becoming prohibitively expensive. Labor shortages, material price hikes, the time that it takes to build a home with traditional construction. 3D concrete printing solves all of these problems, and it solves it in the most efficient way possible. Rapidly printing affordable homes, agricultural structures, and virtually anything that you could think about, because 3D concrete printing provides unlimited design options. Providing drastic cost savings, and more importantly, keeping people safe and away from potentially harmful work environments. And that's why right now, we want to invite you to be a part of this disruptive innovation for automation in construction, which undoubtedly will change the way construction is conducted in the future.